Over the past 4 years, my fiance and I have been working to turn our 1980s house into a home. With the downstairs almost complete, it's time to work on the second story. After working from home since 2020 and spending countless hours in my office, I knew it would be the first room I tackle. So follow along as I turn my office into a space that truly reflects me without breaking the bank. Hi guys, okay, so I just came back from Home Depot and I picked up 3 colors that were really beautiful. I had a really hard time finding a color that I like. It was actually really difficult, more difficult than I thought. Okay, let me maybe put it up against my notebook. Can you see better? Okay, this way you can see a little bit better. Okay, so this one is called Beloved Pink. And this one's more like a salmony dusty pink color, but a little bit more on the gray side. And then this one is called Radiant Rose. And then this one's more purple, and this one is called Wine Pairing. So I was in between those 3 at Home Depot. I also liked this one called Sugar Beet from Sherwin-Williams. I'm going to go inside and swatch them on the wall and then wait till like tomorrow. I'm going to swatch like all of the walls to see what it looks like, and then probably just live with it and let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll see what it looks like. Okay, here's the first one called Beloved Pink. It is just like a dusty pink color. I'm going to test this on the wall. The sample looks really cute, so I'm hoping this one turns out the same. Okay, these are the colors with 1 coat on the wall. I'm going to do 2 coats, let it dry first. As you can see, I did a thin coat, but it's still drying because it has primer in it, so I want to make sure that it looks really good. But this is just 1 coat. I really love these 2, and I kind of like this with the white, which is, I'm going to keep the white here. I kind of like this color with the white. I think it looks really pretty, but I also like this one, but I think I just need a second coat to see. And then on this side, pretty much the same thing, except for I'm loving this middle color. I'm going to be changing the layout of this room. So when you walk in, I have this big open space that's not being utilized, mainly because I have a door right here and I only have this much room, and then I have double doors for a closet. Can't put anything here because the closet door folds up here, and then I have my desk here. And as I've been like just living in this space, I realized that I would much rather have this be a craft room / office rather than how I have it set up now. So the way that I think I'm going to redo my room is I'm going to put my desk over here. So instead of it being in the middle of the office, I'm just going to put it over here. And so when I walk in, my desk will be right here. My little containers, I'm going to reorganize them and put them underneath the window. So they will fit just a little bit higher than it fits now, just like to that part right here, but it will be underneath here. So this will be my craft station. So my desk will kind of be out of the way. I'm gonna keep my rug, but probably turn it more rectangle so it's like in the middle of the room. I'll have this empty space here. So I have an IKEA shelf, like a bookcase that would perfectly fit in this corner. And so that way I can put all of my books up there, decorate it, have a little cute knick-knack station. And then my closet looks an absolute mess. So this is what I'm so excited to organize. Hello, back. It is a brand new day and I got another paint sample. So I went to Lowe's to get this color that I showed you guys that I really liked. But when I got into the store, it just looked super like purple to me and I wasn't really vibing. So I picked up 2 different samples. I got this tester called Shimmery Pink, which I don't even know if you're even going to really see it, but it's more in like this dusty pink family. And then I got another one that's more on the taupey shade called Mad About Pink. and this one is more in like a mauve type of tone. So I think I'm gonna like this one. And this one is called Bombay Pink. Might be a little bit too dark. And then I also liked Embroidery Rose, which is this color here, and Quartz Pink. Picked up 2 new paint colors here to see what I'd like. I also picked up these 2 a couple of days ago as well. And so these were the 3 original ones that I really liked. Then I picked up these 2 from Home Depot, but I had a little sample from Valspar, and this is the color Quartz Pink. I couldn't find another color from Behr or from Sherwin-Williams in the store that matched this color. So I went to Home Depot and had them color match it with a Behr paint, and I'm obsessed. I love it. This is exactly what I was kind of looking for. So I got these organizers from Home Depot. They came in a 3-pack for $8, and they have the little clippy things on the side. And I went through all of these organizers, took out stuff. So I have just like all of my arts and crafts in here. So excited. I've been waiting for about 3 months for this to come in stock, and it finally did. I'm gonna put this together, and then it is going right in here, and then all of this stuff will go on the bookshelf. Hopefully it fits. We will see. Frames from IKEA, like I showed you. These are the no paying, and they are about 16 by 20 on the inside. And originally what I was going to do was get some 3 pieces of art that kind of all go together and put them in here, but I couldn't find anything that I really love. I went on Amazon and I got a ton of pressed flowers, just plain white flowers, and some greenery, but I thought these looked really cute. This pack came with a ton of flowers in it. but these are colorful flowers. Some of these pink. And these are like mixed colors, and then purples and pinks and whites. Bought this pack. I think it was from the same company.